We're Retrocausal. We provide real-time task guidance capabilities for manual assembly processes to help increase first-time yield and decrease manual assembly errors on the production line. We'll have Andre demonstrate our capabilities in real time on how we provide that real-time process control for manual assembly processes. In real time, our software is able to semantically understand each step of a standard operating procedure. So if or when an operator makes a mistake, our system will offer alerts in real time to an operator to enable them to fix the mistake right then and there, to make sure that each step of the build is done as it was designed. As an operator goes through its standard operating procedure, if and when a mistake happens, the system will offer gentle alerts to the operator to resolve any mistakes that may happen on the manufacturing line. In parallel, as an operator goes through the manual assembly process, we're also tracking the overall cycle times for the build, but also the sub-cycle analytics that help us aggregate a wider swath of data for your industrial engineers to not only understand what's happening right now on production lines, but also understand historically what's happened on production floors to make data-driven decisions on how best to improve efficiency and processes on the manufacturing floor. As you can see, we can provide real-time in-process quality control for your operators to help increase efficiency on your production line by reducing manual assembly errors and providing a deeper level of analytical insight for your industrial engineering team to drive a deeper level of efficiency and process improvement on your production lines.